Here we have a 2016 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the side steps along the bottom, the WILDTRAK stickers as well at the bottom of the doors. With the black exterior paintwork, the daytime running lights. We also have the front lower nudge bar as well. Round to the driver's side, you find we have the wide arch kit as well. We also have the grey door handles and door mirrors. We have the roof rails up top, the black trim around the windows as well. We have the rear load bay cover just there. If we take a quick look at the interior now. So coming into the back first, you find we have the half leather interior, the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well. We have the orange stitching throughout this vehicle. We have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, again half leather interior. We have the WILDTRAK logo embroidered as well on these two front seats, which are both heated. The driver's seat is electrically adjustable with brushed metal door handles. We have the electric mirrors and electric windows, auto lights. We have the cruise control as well as the speed limiter on the multifunctional steering wheel. We have the two digital screens either side of the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the lights of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity and much more. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you would like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.